Hello, going to bed now at 1. Have some coaching tomorrow at 9 a.m., so 7.5 hours of sleep should be fine. Today was medium productive. I did add some content and create a newsletter, and however, in the morning, I guess I had some legal stuff I had to worry about, but still, it was not a very productive morning. And also not afternoon, but I did get one of my big 3 tasks done, so that's some progress. Hopefully I can do one tomorrow. I was careful not to say 2 there. Just having low goals is sometimes better than having 2 ambitious goals.